What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
I'm Daddy's son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
the Air Jordan 1 High Retro OG Stage Haze. But before we get into the shoe, Nigel, what should they do if it's their first time
y'all
here?
should really get that notification bell ringing because I'll be on here singing.
Yeah, you want to hear him sing. All right, so now that that's out of the way, you want to give people a little taste?
I don't think they rung it. I don't think they rung the bell.
All right, we give you 2 seconds to go ring the bell. 1, 2.
And your turn. Ooh.
I got nothing. Oh, maybe I'm stage hazy, like it's like scared. Stage haze.
Stage haze. It's the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze. That's the box.
That's the box.
Yeah.
The Air Jordan 1 High Stage Haze. It's your classic Air Jordan 1 box that we all know and love. Classic from 1985. And this is the shoe. You ready?
Yes.
All right. So we're going to pull this out. Bam. We got that. And then we also have a little different variation. Bam.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's the Air Jordan 1 Stage Haze. And I did get into these prior to, just to switch up the laces to see what looked better on there. What's up?
The smell.
It's
out of this world.
nice.
It's so nice.
Smells like a fresh Rolls Royce or something. Just like a beautiful inside of a car. That new car smell, that new shoe smell. I agree, it does smell good.
And it looks like a Rolls Royce too.
Yeah?
Yeah.
These have not been worn, by the way.
I can tell. It's real, like, pristine.
Yeah, it's a nice, clean shoe.
At it.
Really clean. They did a whole lot with this shoe, changing up some things. It's a classic, you know, like kind of giving you the black toe vibe. I love that because you got that black toe on the shoe.
Yeah.
But they did something really different with this one though. If you look really close at the toe box area, that black, what do you see?
I see
crinkled
leather.
Crinkle, crackle, all of that.
Crackled leather.
Crinkled and crackled. And also around the collar. And around like where your laces are on the shoe. Yeah, so they did that. And they gave you a warning. Let's see what this says here.
A warning?
Yeah, this says, please note, natural crack seen on the upper is normal due to the random crackle ink application. So they did some special treatment. You know, this is 2022 is kind of becoming the year of the crackle, crinkle leather for Jordans, as well as, you know, they doing, of course, the tumble, but also like that age vintage look.
Yeah.
So we saw the crackle, crinkle kind of first on the Alma Mater 1s, then again on the Alma Mater 2s. Now we got these. They did also on the coral lows, the bleach coral lows, and it's just a new kind of aesthetic treatment, right?
Yeah, and I like it, to be honest.
You do?
Looking at these,
Yeah.
these are nice.
You like that?
And the Alma Mater ones were crazy.
Yeah.
I fell in love with those when I saw them. And they had that crackled leather too, and I was like, wow, that's nice.
Yeah, and this is different. Like, so the Alma Mater ones, it's like the crinkle is really heavy, so it kind of flakes off a little bit. But this is like, it's not, I don't know, it's not like suede, but it's a different feel in the material.
You got your shoe just flaking off though.
I know, it's just, you know, not that it's like just eventually just gonna be like a bald shoe, it's like losing its color, but it's different.
That's cool though.
You know, but this shoe, you know, again, the black toe vibes, they give you suede on the heel.
Yeah.
The heel counter, which I don't know if I would have done that personally, because, you know, it's like that kind of shoe. It's white, it's black, then you got gray suede, which again is going to be hard to maintain and keep pristine.
Yeah. I like the color scheme though.
Yeah.
Like especially with the pink laces.
Yeah.
Like this salmon color.
Yeah.
It's nice how it's like regular black and white all through, but then you have like these are literally like the only two pieces that are like off kilter, you know, from the rest of the shoe. Also the bottom here too.
Yeah,
that
you got
gray
the white
is
and
different.
gray. Yeah, agreed.
So I kind of like how they just have like those like few colors that are really separate from each other, like from the rest of the shoe. I like that.
Nice. Yep, so on top of the toe box, we got like a smooth leather. Then again, this crinkle black all around. All the black leathers, that crinkle crackle leather on the swoosh as well. You got your classic Jordan Wings logo, crinkle crackle around the collar. And then the suede, right? And then, like I said, it came with really it's like a coral colored laces. Salmon, this is like salmony pink. And the only tie-in for that really is the Nike Air on the tongue, right? You see that color right on the tongue, the way they did the outline?
Mine's better because I got the laces on.
Yeah, there you go. You can show that tie in a little better. They gave us, white laces as well. And then, of course, the black.
They got white laces, let me see.
Yeah, you got white laces so you can change it up, right?
Yeah.
Give you like 3 different shoes, really. So, my question, I actually posted this on Instagram, and make sure you hit me there at Real Daddy Seed, was, coral pink laces or black laces. And I think 90% of the votes came in for the coral.
I'm telling you, it's like with this, you got a black and white shoe, and then this gray piece, which is like this, the gray is just throwing it off, I feel like.
Yeah.
But I like how here it's like the pink it stops the gray from like throwing off the shoe,
Does it add like a
it's
little
like
extra
another
pop? Adds a pop.
It's
to
like
it.
another different part of the shoe,
I got you. Yeah, I mean, it definitely gives a different look, man. But it's a clean shoe. So ultimately, we want to know, what's your rating on it, man?
I don't know. This is a well done shoe. I can't lie. I might have to give it like a.
I feel it's gonna be high.
I'm gonna give it a 9.
Woo!
I'm gonna give it a 9. Like, it's a nice shoe. Like, I don't see there's no flaws in my opinion with it. Honestly, I'm gonna give it an 8 because I think with all the rest of the laces, it wouldn't work as well as with the pink.
Okay.
So, like this.
So black is just like, nah, it's cool.
This I might give like a 6.
Jeez.
Or 7.
You
This
mad
I'll
at
give it a
this?
9, so I'll settle on 8,
Yeah, I mean, you mad at just black, white, and gray? I think that's just a cool color scheme. It's just like, I guess it's kind of muted, just like, it's bland, I guess.
I'd rather have just the black and white. Like, the gray is like, what's the point of that,
Yeah, they could have did the whole heel part for me in gray, like including like the collar. And I feel like these are kind of similar to like the mochas, where you had the black toe, but then the mochas had the brown, that mocha color obviously on the back. Yeah, I love this shoe, man. I think it was slept on. There was a lot of pairs out when these dropped, and I don't think, of course, resale is not super high right now in the secondary market, but overall, the word on the street, so many people just talking about like the sneaker market. Is it crashing? Is it overhyped and overdone?
Is it crashing?
No. I mean, in reality, it's the resale market that is crashing, which is great for people like me.
You have.
Yeah, I don't want to spend double, what up with the shoe costs on shoes. So the retail market is fine. Nike is like, we're gonna keep giving you shoes. We got 1s, 2s, 3s, everything's coming out. So I'm just gonna go away and be contrary. All that sneaker market crashing talk, whatever. Because again, resale is not sneaker culture. Resale culture is not sneaker culture, right? I'm gonna just keep talking. I'm gonna keep shouting that to the high hills, man.
I gotta be a campaign manager though.
Let's go.
On the videos with you, so what he said exactly.
That's right. I'm running for office. The sneaker White House. You see me in there. I mean, you gotta think about it, right? Like with resale being so much lower now, shoes like you can get these probably now in the secondary market for close to retail, if not at retail. It makes it easier to get shoes. Is that kind of just like is the hype dying? I don't know. What do you think?
I don't know either, but I have another problem that I just thought of.
What's that?
The stock.
Yeah.
When people buy the shoes, the resale market is dying. If you want that shoe and they buy up all the retail, where are you gonna get that shoe now?
You're gonna get it from the drop when they actually drop.
What if you don't?
I mean, the secondary market is still there. It's just that the prices aren't as high as they were.
Oh, that's fine by me then.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay, understood.
There's a lot of resellers out there, and I don't knock all resellers, man. I'm not anti the reseller, but I'm anti resale culture of like the 200 and 300 and 400% markup on shoes. I just think that's unnecessary because at the end of the day, this is rubber and leather, and this is not ever worth $1,000. I don't care who collab because it's still made the exact same way as the pair that's $100, $150. You know what I mean? But anyway, I will say this right now is a buyer's market, which is great. So for people that want pairs, that are looking for the shoes, you can get them usually a lot easier, a lot cheaper. Yeah, that's what you want. I mean, just like the housing market. Houses always sell. Yeah. It's just sometimes demand is high because there's tons of buyers and price goes up, right? Fat Joe said yesterday's price is not today's price. But Nike's still cranking out pairs. And Nike, by the way, which is sneaky, keep increasing prices little by little too. They're making these little incremental price adjustments. So these were like ones, Jordan 1s have been 170 for the last few years. Now they're like 180, Jordan 3s and 4s, they're like 200. Now they're like on 210, 220.
Sneaky.
Yeah, they're just like, we're just gonna dial it up a little bit. People still want them. And so what do y'all think out there?
Give us your rating.
Are you feeling the Stage Haze? I'm feeling them. I think these shoes, they might be one of the best Jordans, again,
That's what I'm saying.
of the year. I'm going with a 9. I'm going to just go all the way there. I think it's clean. I don't think there's anything wrong with this shoe. Again, I think slept on, and in a year or two, people will be like, man, I should have copped those. Yep. And guess what? We did. So, anyway, thanks for hanging out. Pardon my take, but let me know what you think about what I'm saying in this whole thing. All right, talk to you in the next one. Peace.